Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Joshua Coleman. I'm here to present some information on cybersecurity for any individual looking to do a concentration in cybersecurity, needing a career change, or just looking for general information. In this video, I will cover the following: the differences in data at rest, data in use, and data in transit, recommendations to secure data, and how strategies change depending on the state of the data. So, without further ado, let us begin. In this section, we will look at the differences in the states of data. According to information gathered from Geeks for Geeks and Macmillan's CIRT Guide, data at rest is data that is not being processed or in active motion, but rather data that is stored. Data at rest has a reduced risk of data breaches from misplaced devices, password sharing, and other forms of mistaken authorized access. Data in use is data that is in active motion. This looks like hardware updates, system processing, erasing data, accessing files, or data being read by the system. Data in transit is data that is being transmitted from one point to another. This looks like the use of the internet or the use of private networks. Data in transit is implied to be insecure because of transfer techniques. In a nutshell, the difference lies in what you are doing with the data. At rest is for storing data, in use pertains to the data you are currently accessing, and in transit is for sending and receiving data. In this next section, we will cover the recommendations to secure data. The following is provided by the Information Commission's Office, or the ICO. Backing up your data saves a copy of the data and encrypts it so that it remains secure. Use virtual private networks or VPN to secure your network if you are using an insecure Wi-Fi network. Choosing strong passwords that are tough to crack, and implement multi-factor authentication. This can look like passwords plus one-time use codes, or a password plus some form of biometric verification. Installing antivirus and malware programs to keep hardware safe and to update these programs regularly. In this last section, we will look at the strategies used for each state of data. According to Digital Guardian, switching strategies is heavily dependent on the sensitivity and the value of the data. This is because attackers will try to get authorization regardless of what state your data is in. I have put together a list of strategies using information gathered from TechTarget and Digital Guardian. Protecting data at rest is easier than with the other states. It is best to encrypt the data or the storage system itself before storing the data. To protect data in use, it is best to employ control access, which will restrict unauthorized user access and restrict access to the data itself. Ensure encryption of the data while it is in use, and invest in visibility security tools for breach detection. This will allow anomalies and other threats to be picked up more easily. To protect data in transit, it is best to encrypt the data before moving it with an encrypted connection to protect the data. This disables the ability to access the information if the attackers are successful in accessing the information. Firewalls and access control are also other measures one can use to secure the networks used for transmission. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you found this information just as helpful as I do. I hope you have an awesome day, and may God bless you and yours. Bye for now.